Right. Everyone see, 1 radian definition is angle subtended by the arc, angle subtended by the arc at the center of the circle, arc subtended by the angle at the center of the circle. If the length of the arc is equal to radian of the radius of the radius, okay na? So radius, so of radius of the circle, of radius equal of circle, radius of circle, radius of circle makes 1 radian. So I will draw the figure, everyone see. I will draw the figure. This is the circle. This is the circle. So this is the sector. This is the one sector. Okay, na? This is called arc. AB is called arc. This is OA is called radius, and OB also radius. AB is called as a arc. Okay, na? AB is called as a arc. So what is the 1 radian definition is given by, what is the 1 radian is equal to, 1 radian is equal to length of the arc by, length of the arc is the equal to radius. So L by R, here L and R both are equal, then it is called as a 1 radian. So length of the arc, L and R both are equal, then we call as a 1 radian. So R cancel, then it is called as a 1 radian. Length. So 1 radian means what is the angle, sir? What is the definite angle? Is theta is equal to radians will give always theta is equal to L by R. If both are not equal, then theta radians, always theta will give the radians. So always theta will give the radian. Theta radians is equal to L by R. So L is equal to radius, then it will become as a 1 radian. L is not equal to radius, then it is called a theta radian. Then it is called theta radians other than 1 radian. Other than 1 radian, it may be 2 radian, 3 radian, 4 radian. Generally, theta radians is equal to L by R. L and R both are equal. Not getting observed. So here, what is the given? Read here, what is the given? Angle subtended by the arc at the center. This is the arc, AB is the arc is subtended angle at the horizon theta. At horizon is the theta. Okay, na? At horizon is the theta. Right, see, at horizon is the theta. If theta is equal to, what is the given? So 1 radian means, first write down the theta definition. So theta radians is equal to, what is the given? Length of the arc is length of the ratio of the length of the arc by radius. So theta radians is equal to L by R. L and R both are equal, both are cancelled, it will become as a 1 radian. So what is the given? So if the length of the arc is equal to the radius, so what is the theta definition? Is theta is equal, physics we read, theta radians is equal to L by R. Theta radians is equal to L by R. Okay, na? So if L and R both are equal, cancel, it will become as a 1 radian. That is the definition. 1 radian means that is the definition. Now it is clear, everyone. So theta radians formula is L by R. Okay, now clear now, observe. Clear now? Any doubt? Theta radians is equal to L by R. L by R. R length of the arc by radius. Theta radians is equal to L by R. L and R both are equal, then it is called as a 1 radian. Cancel, it will become as a 1 radian. That is the definition. Okay, right. Now write down the main point. This is the main point. Relation between this is the most important point. Now we are entering into the topic relation between degree, grades and radians. Degree, grade, degree and grades and radians. Now we are entering into the topic. So introduction is completed. So now we are entering to the topic. So now it is a clear. Everyone see relation between degrees and gradients. Please, right. Now it is clear. Now it is clear, everyone. Now it is video is before is stuck. Now it is clear. Right. Everyone see. Degrees is degrees by 90 degrees is equal to radians is the 2 radians r by pi. 2 radians r by pi. Pi means 22 by 7. 2 r by pi is equal to g by gradients are divided by 100. Gradients are divided by 100. Once again, relation is same, everyone. Degrees are dividing, 1 degree is dividing as a 90 equal, 90 degrees are dividing by, okay na? So 1 degrees are dividing by 90 equal parts. That's why 90. So 90 degrees d by 90 is equal to 2r by pi. Pi means here 22 by 7. Remember, pi means here 22 by 7. Pi means you should be remember 22 by 7. And gradients is dividing as 100 parts. Gradients is dividing as 100 parts. Okay, na? So this is a relation. You can be remember the relation. Degrees are dividing into the 90 parts, 90 equal parts, and the radians are divided 2r by pi. Pi value is the 22 by 7. Remember, gradients are dividing as 100 equal part. 1 gradient is dividing as 100 equal parts. Okay, na? One right angle is divided as 100 equal part. 1 degree as divided as 90 equal part. Radians is the 2r by pi. This relation should be remembered. Okay, na? This relation should be remembered. Mean every problem is a very easy. Total relation I will write. So what we are going to discuss, gradient system, sections, everything I will write only one relation. Everyone remember, d by 90 degree is equal to 2r by pi is equal to 2r by pi is equal to 2r by pi is equal to g by 100. Okay, now I will start the problems. Everyone see. You can do this some problems also. This relation everyone note down. So I will start the problems. Write down the first problem. Question number 1. Everyone note down the question number 1. Convert 30 degrees. Convert 30 degrees in radians. Convert 30 degrees in terms of radians. In terms of radians. In terms of radians. Now everyone see the in terms of radians. In terms of radians. See the problem E. Everyone see this problem is. So D and the radians relation only. Degrees and radians relation only. So degrees radian relation is d by 90 degrees is equal to 2r by radian by pi. So here we have the only degrees and radian relation. We have degree and a radian relation. In that one, I will take degrees and radians only. I will take degrees and radians only. Okay, clear everyone? What is the degrees is converted to the radian. Degree place write down 30 by 90 degree is equal to 2r by pi. 2r by pi cancel 1 by 3 is equal to 2r by pi. R value find out everyone. R write down R means radian. Cross multiplication pi by 3 is equal to 2r. Now write down the R value. R is equal to pi by 6 radians. So R is the radian. Radian is equal to pi by 6. 52 radians. 52, how it is 52 radians? Pi is the 22 by 7. Pi value is not a 180. Don't take. Pi is the 52 by pi is the 0 point. Dividing, after dividing you are telling. No need. Pi by 6. Right now. Pi by 6 radians. Okay, now understand everyone? So what is the asking? Degrees and radians means degrees and radians relation only we can take. Degrees and radians relation only we can take. Right. Right, see I will put in the box. I will do the, sir, pi value will be reciprocal as 7 by 22. 22 by 7 is the pi value. Reciprocal we write down. But it should be radians means in terms of pi only write down. Okay, na? Right, everyone see. So we get 30 degrees. Everyone convert second problem. Convert 45 degrees. Convert 45 degrees in terms of radians. In terms of radians. Right, everyone do this problem. Fast, everyone do. Relation is the degrees and radians. Degrees and radians. Relation is the degrees and radians. Degree by 90 is equal to radian is required to r by what is the pi? Pi means 22 by 7. In terms of pi only write down. So here is degrees is given. Degrees is 45 degrees is given by 90 degrees is equal to 2 capital R by pi. So again 45 2 times is cancel. Cross multiplication pi by 2 is equal to R. R is the radian is required to bring downside. So R is equal to pi by 4 radians. 45 degrees is equal to pi by 4 radians. Very good. Very good, Afzal. I will write next problems fast we can do. I will write question number 3. Convert 60 degrees in terms of radians. In terms of radians. First, everyone do question number 4. Convert 90 degrees in terms of radians. In terms of radians. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. Convert 135 degrees in terms of radian, 120 degrees in terms of radians. Convert 135 degrees in terms of radians. Question number 7. Convert 150 degrees in terms of radians. Question number 8. Convert 180 degrees in terms of radians. Next, question number 9. Question number 9. This is a 225 in terms of radians. 225 in terms of radians. These all are degrees only. Question number 10. Convert 350 to 70 degrees in terms of radians. Question number 11. 315 degrees in terms of radians. Question number 12. Question number 12. Convert 360 degrees in terms of radians. Fast, everyone do. Fast, everyone do. Sir, exercise when you start. Now only I will start. Now only start. First, this is exercise problems only. So in this exercise, we have these problems only, conversions. Right, very good. What is the 3 pi na? So 60 degrees C is right off. In T 60 degrees answer is right off. 60 degrees C is not 3 pi. Pi by 3. So degrees 60 by 90 is equal to 2r by pi. So 0, 0 cancel. This is the 2 by 3 is equal to 2 r by pi. So 2, 2 cancel. R is equal to pi by 3. 60 degrees is equal to pi by 3 radians. Right, pi by 3 radians. Very good. Question number 4. Fast we can do. Question number 4. Everyone do fast. Question number 4. 90 degrees convert. First exercise we have conversion only. Degree to radians, conversion only. Very good, Dipti. Very good, Amma. Very good. Pi by 2 is correct. Right. Question number 4. Pi by 2 is correct, Dipti. Question number 4. Hint of question number 4. See, 90 by 90. Degrees is the 90. D by 90. 2r by pi. 90, 90 cancel. Pi is equal to 2r. R is equal to 90 degrees. Radian is pi by 2. Fast 120 degrees. Fast 120 degrees. No, by 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. See, 120 degrees.